Hello everyone and welcome to this series, and in this series we're going to learn how to use HTML and CSS. HTML is the language that we actually use to build our content on our website, and CSS is the language that we actually use to make it look nice. And we can also use JavaScript and PHP to use functionality, but we're not going to actually cover this in this series. We're going to have different series for that, but in this tutorial we're going to focus more on HTML and CSS and learn the basics of each. So to do so, we need a text editor. A text editor is a program that allows you to write your code and run it, for example. But for HTML and CSS, you can actually use Notepad, which is right here, but it's gonna be really annoying to use it because it's not gonna really tell you if anything is wrong. It's gonna be just plain text. So we can use one of a free ones, which is called Notepad, but it's called Notepad++. So to download it, you just write Notepad++, download, and go here. And you just press download with the page loads. For some reason it's not loading, but it should load right away. And then you just press next multiple times and it should be good to go. And after you install it, that's how it's gonna look. And if it needs to be updated, you can update it. It's right there. Here you go, it loaded. You press download, and then after you download it, you just press in the install.exe and install it. If you're in Mac, I don't think Notepad++ works on Mac, but you can research for another option that will be free. They all work the same. Also, if you want to use a web version, you can try W3 editor, I believe that is what it's called. Yeah, try it editor from W3 Schools, and you can actually write stuff in here and then run it. It would be the same exact thing. So it's actually a personal preference which editor you would like to use. I personally like to use Notepad++ because it's free and it's easy to navigate as well. So that's it for this tutorial. This was just the introduction of what we're going to learn in this series. And in the next series, we're probably going to do something basic or just print a statement or a line on one of our browsers, and that probably would be it. So I'm waiting for you guys in the next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great day.